How you doing, guys? Welcome to this Walmart Christmas walkthrough, and welcome to my home. Mi casa es tu casa. Today I want to show you this Christmas decorations that I saw at Walmart. Can you believe it? Halloween haven't even started, and it's not even over yet, or even close to it, and they're already putting all this beautiful decoration like these reindeers that they had last year. Look at this sledge. Oh my god, beautiful. And they all, look at this skating boots. They are so beautiful, and they're only $1.97, guys. Can't beat that price. Let me let you continue watching. Alright, guys, check out this snowball. It's beautiful. Oh my god, and it's only $1.97. Also, check out these wings right here. Also $1.97. Can't beat those prices. I mean, you probably find that somewhere else like Dollar Tree or whatever. But check out those feathers, $2.97, and this ball right here, and those beautiful wings. And I love this right here. Check out this reindeer with the burlap. It's only $1.97, and it gives me that large log feel, or log feel, cabin feel. That's what I'm going for. I love it. I love all the decoration that they bring in, guys. Let me take you to this ride right here. You know, you have your, look at this, check this owls, and you can find all the balls and decoration, guys. Check it out. Look, flamingos, if I'm saying it right. Anyhow, check it out. Let me just let you keep watching. Oh my god, look at that snowball. I am in love. And if you're a kid at heart, you will love this little villages and stuff they have. Oh, fall in love with. Oh my lord, check out that tree and those reindeers, and check out those pillows in the bottom of the acorn. You cannot beat that. Oh my god, check out for those people that like the silver and the blue. That is gorgeous. But going back to this, I think I'm decorating my Christmas tree at my house in this theme right here, the acorn with the other one. Check out the runner. Beautiful. $36, guys. But I'm still in love with it. Check out this. Oh my god, check this one out, the Christmas skirt and the ribbons. Oh my god, they are lovely, guys. Check out the vases, and check out those trays. Oh my god, check out the reindeer's guide. And these trees right here, those trees, oh my god. Oh my god, look at these. The wreaths are gorgeous this year. OMG, check out this one. I'm in love with that one right there, guys. But let me show you this one. Watch. Oh my god, that one is beautiful. But check out these. And excuse me for the background, guys. OMG, I am in love. Check out that reindeer, $20. But this owl, oh my god, the cabin feel is calling me. Check it out. Let me just let you keep watching. Enjoy the ride, guys.
And I'm still living here. We have a Christmas party. My room is gonna be woodsy if I get a job and I could decorate it like that. Okay.
I'm gonna try to make the wood. You know what I was thinking about the wood?
But you said that I don't have to worry about that much about giving you guys for my check. actually good. Like if there's milk missing or something, I'll buy it. I'll buy the milk and stuff.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this ride, Christmas ride I should say. But this is everything that we're putting up at Walmart. Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And like always, see you in my next video.